How to export high quality video in Capcut PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get this done, you're going to have to open your file, and say for example you are done working with your file, then here's what you can do. First things first, go ahead and click the export button and you should see something like this. Now take note that if you want to export high quality file, it is very important for your raw files to be high quality as well. So say for example you already have that one, then here's what you can do. You can just go ahead and adjust the title here. I'm just going to go ahead and call this one sample file, just like so. And then you're going to go ahead and export this in your dedicated folder where you export most of the projects that you are done working with. And then here in the video exporting option, you're going to go ahead and adjust the resolution. Now take note that we have 2K and 4K resolution in here. However, if your raw file is recorded in 1080p, it is very important that you are going to choose 1080p as well. You can go lower, but you cannot go higher. Now the reason behind that is because the quality is not going to improve. What is going to happen is that you're just going to add more file size to it, and it's not going to be very useful for you guys. Now another thing for the bitrate is I just use the recommended bitrate. You can go higher, say for example if you are going to use it for YouTube. However, if you are going to use it for most social media, just go ahead and set it to recommended. And then for the codec, we're going to leave it at H.264. Format is going to be MP4 because it's widely used, so I'm just going to set it to MP4. Frame rate also is going to depend on what video you are recording. Say for example my video was recorded at 30 fps. I'm just going to go ahead and set it to 30 fps. Putting it to 60 fps again is just going to add more size to it without much changes. So again, set it to 30 fps if it is recorded to 30 fps. However, if it is recorded to 60 fps, what is going to happen is that you can export it to 60 fps or lower than that. So choices is yours, but then again, this one is just recorded to 30 fps, so I'm going to leave it at that. Now once you are done, just go ahead and hit the export button, and don't worry, it is going to export very fast, just like what we have here. As you can see, it is done exporting. Now you can go ahead and click this one here to open the file that you have. And that is how you are going to export high quality video in Capcut PC.